everybody, it's Elizabeth. Today I am unboxing a giant box from Young Living. I'm going to unbox my Essential Rewards order from Young Living and share with you guys what I've got inside. I would love to know what was your focus on your ER this month. Put it in the comments below. For those of you that are newer and have no idea what ER is, it's Essential Rewards, and it's the best way to order your items from Young Living. So if you're not signed up yet or you're just a customer, make sure you click the link down below so you can go ahead and get signed up. You want to get a starter kit, and then you want to get on Essential Rewards so you can get your items cheaper, and they give you points back every time you order for free stuff. So I actually just today placed an order for free stuff, and that will be coming soon. So I will be unboxing that soon because there was more that I needed. I think I might need to set this on the floor. It's a big one. So I'm going to start off with what's on top here, and this is Ningxia Red. This is an amazing drink that supports every cell in your body and keeps our family above the wellness line. It's why we drink it. Made from the wolfberries, which are found in Ningxia, China. And it's kind of a tart taste. Kind of reminded me when I first started of like cranberry juice, but they've also infused essential oils in this, so it's really delicious. And so right here is the packets, and there's enough for a month. So this has 2 ounces. I love these packets for multiple reasons. I try not to use them when we're at home. I know it's so convenient to just throw it in my purse and go, but it's pricier to get your Ningxia Red in packets. So what I do is I always keep them on hand for our trips. When we are going on airplanes, cruises, Disney, these come with us because those glass bottles are really hard to travel with. I have taken them with us before to Disney, and I've put it in like a mason jar, but this is so convenient. So it's 2 ounces. My kids drink 1 ounce every day, so they just share a pack. And then my husband and I each have our own because I feel like for bigger people, we need 2 ounces. But this really does help our family stay above the wellness line. It's important for us. If you've never tried it or you're thinking, yeah, right, guess what? I was that person too. I really want to encourage you to try 1 to 3 months of doing Ningxia Red and see how you feel. It has really blown me away. So Ningxia Red is a must, and we actually ran out of packets because last month I had an impromptu, not planned trip to Canada and used the last bit of our packets. So if you want to see that trip, make sure you check out the vlog channel, Madera Vlog Moments. It's where we share all of our adventures. And next month, you know, we're going on some fun ones. All right, I have got Super Cal Plus. This is a dual action blend to support the structure, integrity, density of the bones. 60 capsules. I have never tried this. I've never purchased it, and I am sure I got this as a promo for this month. So looking forward to using that. Let me know in the comments below, do you use Super Cal Plus? Do you like it? What does it taste like? Give me the scoop. Give me the scoop on Super Cal. All right, these are the oils, and 2 of them I got for free just for placing my order, and 1 of them I picked out and I purchased, and I'm so excited. All right, the first one is Deep Relief. Deep Relief is one of my favorite oils ever, and I think I've never gotten this size. I get it in the 15 milliliter. It's a roll-on, and after a workout, no joke, I put it on my shoulders every time. It instantly, my muscles are like this and they relax. I hold my mild stress in my shoulders, I put it on, and then it feels amazing. I mean, if you've tried all the oils and you're like, I haven't found one that works yet, try Deep Relief. And let us know in the comments below, what is your go-to oil for that muscle tension? What do you love? Because I would love to hear your suggestions. Maybe there's another one that works really good too that might help somebody else out, or maybe I could get those ideas too from you. The next one is Spearmint Vitality. Fun, fun, fun. So a Vitality oil, I have a video on what's the difference between the regular labeled oils and the Vitality. Vitality, I can let you know right now, is the same oil as the plain labeled bottles, but it's labeled for different purpose. So this is for consumption. So you can put it in your food or your drink, or to eat it. Like it's yum. These ones are for diffusing and inhaling. Do you love my quick description right there? And the last oil, which I think it's the last oil, is White Angelica. White Angelica. White Angelica. It's in like my top 5 oils ever, and it came back in stock. As soon as it did, I placed my ER order, and I have a 15 milliliter from when I first bought it, and now I think it only comes in this. It smells like a calming perfume. It just is amazing. If you've never had White Angelica, it's beautiful and it's uplifting. And I put it on my shoulders when I'm going into a crowd or when I'm going to meet anyone and pray that I don't take on those negative Nellies. And I put it on my shoulders and I just pray that, because sometimes when you're around people that are that negative, you can just pick up stuff. I don't know. That's what I use it for. I've heard so many others do the same thing. It's amazing. And I've heard a lot of people wear it as a perfume too. Now, the last thing in this box, and the reason why it's so big, is this massive box of Ningxia Red. Now, I bought this with the packets, and you can only get this kit if you're on Essential Rewards. I have talked about the cheapest way to get Ningxia Red, and I break down all the prices. Make sure you check out that video if you want to see. I don't know if the prices are current now, because I know they changed them a little while ago. But this is the cheapest way to get Ningxia Red. There's lots of different ways you can order it. You can buy it in 2 bottles, 4 bottles, 6 bottles, I think 8 bottles. You can get just packets. You can get it in multiple ways. But when you get it on Essential Rewards, you save money, and you cannot purchase it this way unless you're on Essential Rewards. It's really one of the benefits of being on ER. Not only did I purchase this kit and the White Angelica, but I got this for free and this for free, and I get 24% back, I think, on points. So everything I ordered, I got points back, which now I'm purchasing more stuff just for free, and all I had to do was pay, like, I think it was $6 shipping. Pretty crazy, right? So let me see if I can open this quickly. I did not bring scissors or a knife over here. I don't know what I was thinking. These bottles are liquid gold. I'll show you what it looks like, because they package them very well. And what we do is we keep them all in the pantry, and then the one we open, we keep in the fridge. I shared not too long ago how we drink it, and we actually get Disney shot glasses. And what's really cute is, because we don't use shot glasses for the normal purpose everyone else uses shot glasses for, we use them for Ningxia. So my kids, when we're at Disney or anywhere, they're like, oh, look, Ningxia cups. So I'm sure when we're around other shoppers, they're looking at us like, Ningxia cups? But when you fill a shot glass all the way up, I'm pretty sure that's 2 ounces and half is 1. And so we just eyeball it and they get half, we get 1. I am so thankful to God for these essential oils and for this Ningxia, and all the other supplements, and for Gary Young. I'm just so thankful. I think God has given us everything we need. We just have to use our brain and do it, right? So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know all those questions in the comments below. And if you're interested in getting your hands on Ningxia Red, there's an amazing starter kit that has that. And let me know you're signing up so I can send something cool your way. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye.